The first word is fake and second word is phrase. Okay, fake and phrase.
दीदी fake मत not real और phrase means to admire.
अरे क्या बोल रहे हो?
What is the meaning of admire?
दीदी to praise. To praise.
So just two words we are doing. Fake means not real. Praise means admire, तारीफ करना. Okay, so yesterday we had done chapter number 11, which was called Princess Bachi. Today we will do chapter
12.
Seaman Devika.
Good morning everyone, my name is Zeenat. Good morning everyone, my name is Zeenat. We are going to revise chapter 11. Title: Princess Bachi. Character: Rashid, Khatamshud, Mudra, Prince Bolo, Jungle Kitab, Soldiers. Setting: Chup City. Beginning: was fighting with each other. Middle: Troops patched up and won the war, and a man was coming that was Khatamshud and he died. And Mudra became king of Chup City, and Harun has been called by Walrus. Thank you.
Okay. So we have studied about chapter 11. It was called Princess Bachi. Yes. Poonam, can you tell me how did the army save Bachi? Devika, say. How did the army save Bachi? Have you understood the question? How means? Save means? So how did they save Bachi?
Bachi was singing and Bolo listened him.
So they found out that she was in the castle because she was singing and then she ran out of the castle. Preet, what happened in the end of chapter 11?
How do I say this? Should and
What do you say when someone...
died.
So Khatamshud was killed and what happened right in the end? What happened to Harun?
One thin man is
Farhan, do you want to correct me?
Walrus called Harun.
Yes. So in the end of the chapter, Harun was called by the walrus. Who is the walrus?
Walrus is head of Peter City E-House.
So the one who designs all the machines in Kahani is called the walrus and he has called Harun. Okay. Now what we'll do is when we are reading the chapter, we have to make a table. You don't have to take out a page. You do it in your writing copy. Okay. So take out your writing copy. By the time I count to 5, 5, 4, 3. I will not take the sheet, so don't take it out. Just take out your writing copy. Poonam is ready. Nitesh is ready. So on top just write chapter 12. The name of the chapter is Was It the Walrus? Yes. So this is the last chapter of the book. The title of the chapter is Was It the Walrus? Kiran is writing. Rahul has finished writing. Okay. Now we have done this before. I will stop in the book. You have to imagine, think, You have to think of yourself as a character and you have to tell me what would you feel as the character and why. So I will stop. You will think of yourself as the character. अगर आप वो character होते in the book, how would you feel and why? Yes.
Did you give us event?
So I will tell you the event. The sentence you will. So you have to write the full sentence. In your copy you will write. अभी कुछ नहीं लिखना है, okay? When I stop then. So if I was dash, I would feel dash because. So there are 5 such sentences. 5 times I will stop in the book. I will tell you which character you are. आपको खुद से सोचना है. What would the feeling be and why? Reason will be here. I will not write down the event. I will just tell you the event. I will not write down the event. Okay? Shama, can you explain what do we have to do?
Maybe we can take writing copy and write this, and we feel this is a character. If I tell them what we do feel and why.
Yes. So in this dash, जो last वाला dash आ रहा है, आप मुझे बताओगे why. Why are you feeling this? If you are feeling, if I was Haroon, I would feel happy because Khatam Shudh is dead. Okay, that is an example. Or if I had to say, if I was Rashid, I would feel happy because I am with Haroon. Okay. So the title of the chapter is Was It the Walrus? We know who the walrus is. I am going to start reading. I want your eyes on me. And
इधर
what I need is proof, Haroon said. Once if and Mali tell the walrus that I did not break the machinery on purpose, he will understand. Okay. So Haroon is thinking he will tell the walrus that मैंने किसी reason के लिए machinery तोड़ी थी. Okay. He was trying to save. He was trying to kill Khatam Shudh. That is why the machinery got broken. Okay. So he is saying I need proof. Akash, what is the meaning of proof? Yes. So he needs sabut, proof. So he's saying I will take If and Mali and they will tell him that I have not done anything wrong. Okay. A party was taking place in Gup city. Himanshi, can you tell me why was a party happening in Gup city?
Because
Yes. Bajit had come back. Khatam Shudh was dead. So a party was happening in Gup city. An ocean estate. Okay. Haroon took some time to find If. He went to If, but If said, "Sorry, I cannot help you. I am very scared of the walrus." But if you have got to help me, Haroon said, someone has to explain. If told him to go away. Haroon felt very sad and he went to look for Mali. He found Mali at another party. Mali was easy to find because he was standing on Butt the Hoopoe. Mali, said Haroon, help me. The floating gardener stopped singing, scratched his head and said, this is a big problem. I cannot help you. What is the matter with everyone? Said Haroon. Why is everyone so scared of the walrus? Mali shook his head and said, walrus is a very important man. I would not go on the wrong side of him. Be very careful. Okay. So he has gone to If. He has gone to Mali. No one is helping him. Okay. So we will stop here. When no one is helping Mali, उसकी कोई help नहीं कर रहा है Haroon की. Okay. So you have to say, if I was Haroon, I would feel what? Because dash. Yes, so no one is helping. So if you were Haroon, and no one was helping you, how would you feel? And you will not use easy words, use new words. Okay? आपको बस सोचना है आप हरू और आपकी कोई हेल्प नहीं करती तो आप क्या फील करते हैं? यहाँ पर फीलिंग लिखो। Yes. Yes, you are Harun. आप हिमांशी नहीं हो. You are Harun, and no one is helping you. How would you feel? Vivek, can you share? If I was Harun, I would feel pleased. Pissed. I would feel pissed because
no one is helping me.
yes. So he would feel pissed because no one is helping him. What is the meaning of pissed?
Angry.
Angry. So Vivek is saying if I was Harun, अगर मैं Harun होता, I would feel very very angry.
I would feel gloomy
Louder.
I would feel gloomy because no one helped him.
Because you are Harun. Okay, so no one is helping him, so he will feel gloomy. Neha.